Hey, what's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub, and in this video we will be doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A7 cover, and it is a NILLKIN branded case and that I have purchased through Amazon at a price of 360 rupees plus 50 rupees delivery charges. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Hey, what's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you will get the notification of that video. We are new on YouTube, so we need your support, and also we will provide useful and technical videos in our channel IMK Technical Hub. So thank you and Jai Hind.
So you can see the package. The packaging looks quite good and it's a big package. Let's see inside. But here this, so let's cut from here and one cut from here. So let's open this package. You can see the packaging looks good, and there is one more tape. Let's cut this. So you can see this is a NILLKIN branded case for Samsung Galaxy A7 2017, and it's a bill, and if I see the price, you can see the price is 410 rupees and 360 rupees NILLKIN case and for 50 rupees delivery charges. So keep this bill aside and let's see what inside the box. So you can see the price quoted here in the NILLKIN branded case, that is the NILLKIN Nature series soft TPU back case for Samsung Galaxy A7 2017. Color is white and MRP is rupees 999. And you can see the some product features and the barcode. You can also scan this so that you can check the authenticity of this NILLKIN branded case. So let's take out this and let's see what's inside this. So you can see the NILLKIN case and it's look quite good and very premium. And you can see, let's open. You can see the packaging is good, and there is a cover for mobile phone accessories. You can see this is a NILLKIN branded case and it's very soft TPU. You can easily fold like this, you can see, and proper cutout here, and it's a silicone TPU, and over time it will also get yellowish, as I am seeing that some yellowish type. You can see it, you can see some yellowish color on the outside rim of this cover. So let's put the Samsung Galaxy A7 2017 into this. I've also put one case in this Samsung Galaxy A7 2017. You can purchase it via eBay, Flipkart or Amazon. So let's take out this case, and you can see this is a Samsung branded Samsung Galaxy A7 2017, and it's a very premium phone. And we will provide you, if you want to see some videos regarding the water resistant and some other review and gaming performance, you can comment in the comment section so that I will give you the review of this review, and whatever you want, I will provide the video on this Samsung Galaxy A7 2017. So let's put this Samsung Galaxy A7 into this NILLKIN case. So now you can see it covered the case comfortably, and it is a transparent. You can see the back, and if I put something like this black, it will cover all the back and you can't see, and you can't see the back of this Samsung Galaxy A7 2017. So it's a premium phone, and if you want to show the premium of this device, you can put this transparent case so that you can see the gold color of this device. And fingerprint also work fine for this device. You can see proper cutout. You can see this cutout, small hole for speakers, and here is a power button. It is covered, and you can see the volume up and down. It is also covered. And for SIM tray, you have to take out this cover, and then you can put your SIM. On the back, same as well. There is no cutout for this SIM, but there is a cutout for microphone. So this is a NILLKIN branded case that I have purchased through Amazon, and you can also purchase this via Amazon or Flipkart. And I think it's a good case, but I think the price is not so good, as I think this cover also gets yellowish over time. So every case for Samsung Galaxy A7 2017, the transparent case, the TPU, will get yellowish over time. So if you purchase from Spigen, NILLKIN and any other brand, it will definitely goes yellow over time. So this is the unboxing of this NILLKIN branded case for Samsung Galaxy A7 2017, and I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, and please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind and take care.